Have you ever thought of making dolls out of newspaper? Yeah, these ballerinas are newspaper dolls. Welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. How are you, friends? Just a reminder to please subscribe to my channel and share the videos if you like. Let's get going with this fun-filled craft activity of making newspaper dolls. Cut approximately 4-inch wide strips of newspaper and make newspaper tubes using a stick. Apply glue at end to secure. Make a round coaster shape from the newspaper tubes. Applying glue and keep on adding the tubes till you get the required width. When done, secure the end. A little away from the midsection, fold the tube and twist. Keep on rolling. You need to make it narrow at the lower part and broad at the upper end. When this is done, take 2 tubes each, cross it and put a tube across and fold. This is how exactly it has to be done. I'm adding a tube each both sides to make the shoulders broader. This is basically going to be the framework of the body of our newspaper doll. Now roll around another tube to give shape to the body and hold the tubes together. At the bottom we are just going to keep 4 tubes and cut off the rest, 2 tubes for each leg. We'll be making 2 sizes coasters of the newspaper tube and pasting it together with the white glue. Fix a stick in between. Now insert one of the legs of the doll into the stick so that it stands straight. See, we have cut one of the tubes into half the length to give it a thickness of the thigh. Bend a little to give it a dancing posture like that of a ballerina. I'm sticking in this folded piece of tube so that the leg holds and doesn't drop off. Now the arms. I'm using this tissue paper to make hands of the doll as it's very soft and flexible and easy to give shape. Friends, you can think of any dancing pose and craft your ballerina doll accordingly. With the help of glue, I am giving a coat of tissue paper to my doll. This round ball is going to be a part of hairstyle of my doll. Yeah, a hair bun. Are we good? Pasting a piece of tissue paper that's pinched for a bit of facial texture. I'm adding a newspaper tube both above and below the waistline to give it a slim waist appearance. After a quick drying time, now it's time to paint the doll. I'm using acrylic colors to paint my paper doll. See how well it comes out? I can assure you friends, once you make this newspaper doll, you're just going to love it. Here I'm giving black color to the base. While the paint dries, let's make the skirt of our ballerina. Glue and fold to form a pleat. Again glue and fold. This is how I'll do with the whole strip to form skirt of my ballerina and the belt at the top. Secure it with the glue. When the skirt is done, remember to give another bend at the belt. Why? We'll tell you later. Now for the top. This is how we are going about it. Come on, let's dress up this baby first. I had made this off camera beforehand. When you make these with such love and care, it really becomes your baby. Wake up the designer within you and make amazing dress for your dancer. No needle and thread for this designer. Just scissors and glue are working fine for me. Apply glue at the bend of the belt of the skirt and wrap it around. Remember while making the skirt, I told you to give a bend at the belt of the skirt? Well, the reason was, after wrapping it around, it will be easier to give it a lift, like this. After painting the shoes of the doll, she is all ready. Here comes our ballerina. Now this one is also waiting to get dressed up. I hadn't shown this part in the previous doll's dressing, which we are doing it here. Need to get the essentials covered. Rest is all that we have done with the earlier doll. Wrapping the skirt, painting the shoes, all said and done. They don't look like newspaper dolls, do they? But for life, who can say these are paper ballerinas? These ballerinas are going to dance right into your heart. Don't you think so? How did you like the videos, friends? Your comments and suggestions are always awaited. Remember to subscribe to my channel before leaving and press the bell icon for notifications of new uploads. Thank you.